5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. This court on 20 May 2021 had issued total 13 directions in a suo motu proceeding in view of grave situation arising out of COVID-19 pandemic full stop. Pursuant to the directions contained in paragraph 12, certain applications were filed before this court by various authorities and persons which were dealt with and disposed of by this court full stop. On 21 September 2021, in view of various issues raised by the financial institutions, Direction number 2 issued by this court was clarified by restricting its applicability to certain cases alone full stop. On 11 December 2021, pursuant to the applications filed by certain persons, the directions contained in paragraph numbers 1 and 11 of the order dated 20 May 2021 were also clarified full stop. On 11 December 2021, on the submissions made by the learned amicus curiae as well as the Secretary of the High Court Bar Association, the clause/directions number 3, 4 and 11 contained in the order dated 29 May 2021 were ordered to be deleted/omitted, while rest of the interim directions as modified from time to time were directed to continue to operate till the next date of hearing full stop stanza. Today, when the matter is taken up, it is submitted by all concerned that owing to a sudden and alarming surge in the number of people who have been tested COVID positive, the situation has again turned grim and extremely unsafe full stop. Several judges of this court and a huge number of High Court staff and a large number of advocates have also been infected with the virus full stop. Thus, in view of the prevalent situation, the representatives of the High Court Bar Association stressed upon the need to restore the directions issued by this court on previous occasions full stop. Likewise, even the learned amicus curiae has expressed his deep concern as regards the unprecedented spike in the COVID infected cases full stop. He submits that in the given circumstances, the court may consider in its wisdom to reimpose all or any of the directions previously issued by this court full stop. Having heard the learned amicus curiae as well as the learned additional solicitor general of India, learned advocate general Haryana, learned assistant advocate general Punjab, additional standing counsel Union Territory, Chandigarh, and learned counsel for the parties, and looking to the concerns expressed by the Bar Association of the High Court, we propose to restore the interim directions issued by this court on 29 May 2021 as modified from time to time, except direction number 8, which is deleted full stop stanza. To avoid any ambiguity or confusion, the following directions are reimposed with immediate effect and shall be operative till 29 April 2022, that all the interim orders/directions issued or protection granted, including any order requiring any compliance by the parties to such proceedings passed by this court or any other court subordinate to it, or any family court or labor court or any tribunal or any other judicial or quasi-judicial forum over which this court has power of superintendence, which are subsisting today, shall extend till 29 March 2022, provided that the court concerned shall not automatically continue the interim directions and would be free to continue, modify or recall as the case may be the interim orders in case it is of the opinion that the direction contained above is being misused or abused, and for that purpose may take up the matter on the date fixed full stop stanza. In all other cases, the interim direction as contained above shall continue to be extended up till 29 March 2022 full stop. It is further directed that the interim orders or directions of this court or any court subordinate to this court which are not of a limited duration and are meant to operate till further orders shall continue to remain in force until modified oblique altered oblique vacated by specific order of the court concerned in a particular case full stop. The time for filing of written statement or return in any suit or proceeding pending before any civil court or any other forum unless specifically directed shall extend till 29 March 2022 full stop. It is however clarified that this will not preclude the parties from filing such written statement or return before 29 March 2022 full stop. It is further directed that the orders of eviction, disposition, demolition, etc. passed by this court or any court subordinate to it or any tribunal or judicial or quasi-judicial forum which have so far remained unexecuted shall remain in abeyance till 29 March 2022 full stop stanza. However, any party aggrieved by the conduct of the accused on such interim protection may move the court over the matter for discontinuation of such interim protection if any prejudice is caused to him oblique her, in which event the court concerned shall be entitled to take independent view of the matter full stop. All the interim bails granted under section 439 CRPC by the High Court or Courts of Sessions limited by time frame specifying an expiry date from now up to 29 March 2022 shall extend till 30 March 2022 subject to the accused not abusing such liberty or else it may be cancelled at the instance of the state or the complainant or application with adequate proof of the abuse of the liberty to granted by the court concerned full stop stanza. The parole granted to a person by order passed by a court exercising the criminal jurisdiction and limited by time frame specifying an expiry date from now up to 29 March 2022 shall extend till 30 March 2022 subject to the conditions specified in point number 4 full stop. The state governments, Union Territory, Chandigarh or any of its departments or any municipal corporation oblique council oblique board and instrumentality of the state shall not take any action for eviction and demolition in respect of any property over which any citizen or person or party or anybody corporate has physically or symbolic possession as on today till 29 March 2022 full stop. It is further directed that any bank or financial institution shall not take action for auction in respect of any property of any citizen or person or party or anybody corporate till 29 March 2022 full stop stanza. The clarification issued by this court restricting its applicability if the government of Punjab, Haryana, Union Territory Chandigarh and or any of its departments, functionaries by the order of this court or any court subordinate to it or the tribunals required to do a particular thing or carry out certain direction in a particular manner in a time frame which is going to expire at any time from now up to 29 March 2022 full stop. The time for compliance of such order shall extend up to 30 March 2022 unless specifically directed otherwise by the court concerned full stop. The aforesaid prohibition shall not apply to the orders oblique directions which were required to be complied with and are meant for the benefit of the litigant or public at large full stop stanza. In order to dispel any ambiguity, it is clarified that those interim orders which are not for limited duration and are to operate until further orders shall by this order remain unaffected full stop. In case extension of interim orders as per the present order passed by this court cause any undue hardship and prejudice of any extreme nature to any of the parties to such proceedings, such parties would be at liberty to seek appropriate relief by moving appropriate applications before the competent courts, tribunal, judicial, or quasi-judicial forum, and these directions shall not be taken as a bar for such courts oblique forums to consider such applications filed by the aggrieved party on its own merit after due notice and providing opportunity of hearing to the other side. Full stop.